The #1 bottleneck to growing your landscape business is labor. Luckily, your least efficient division has the largest growth opportunity, and it's with your existing customers. Odds are, if you're watching this, you want to improve your business. And if that's the case, you clicked on the right link. This year alone, we've helped over half of the nation's top 150 landscape maintenance professionals grow high margin repair revenue with less people. More with less. That's our business. But you're probably wondering, how? It's simple. We combine technology, process, and support to deliver results. Premier partners implement our patented technology SmartLink at no cost to them to eliminate all non-billable events and provide a higher level of water management services to their clientele. The SmartLink team trains and advises your team how to grow your pipeline of irrigation repair revenue. Then, SmartLink integrates with the leading operational platforms such as Quickbooks, Aspire, and Boss LN. Finally, we know stuff happens. And because of that, we've built the largest support team, both online and on-site, to address the unexpected. We call this our Premier Partner Program. But Ben, show me the money. And here are the results. Clearly, the numbers speak for themselves. With this particular partner that we started working with in 2020, they were doing roughly $15,000 a month in irrigation repair revenue. Now to date, with the implementation of SmartLink, they are doing over $65,000 a month at almost a 60% gross profit margin. That is almost tripling what they were doing in 2020 with 2 less irrigation techs than what they started with. Their inspection process was 100% all on paper, and now, to date, they're using SmartLink and leveraging that to complete 100% of all their proposals and get 100% of all their inspections completed as well. With SmartLink, they are able to completely eliminate their labor issues in the irrigation division. If you believe these results would be impactful to your business, let's have a conversation. Click the link below and let's see how we can help.